You watching this video because you are broke. Making money online in 2023 can involve a variety of methods, depending on your skills, interests, and dedication. Keep in mind that online money-making opportunities can change over time, so it's important to stay adaptable and informed. Here are some methods that might still be relevant in 2023. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Common freelance jobs include writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, and more. E-commerce and dropshipping. Open an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. You can sell physical or digital products, or use dropshipping to sell products without keeping inventory. Online content creation. Start a YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast, or create content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Kick, or Twitch. You can monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, subscriptions, donations, and merchandise. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Online courses and ebooks. If you're knowledgeable about a particular topic, create and sell online courses or ebooks through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Stock photography and videos. If you're skilled in photography or videography, you can sell your work on stock media websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. App and software development. If you're a developer, you can create and sell mobile apps, software, or plugins. You could also offer your coding skills for custom projects. Remember that success in making money online often requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and adapting to changing trends. Be cautious of scams and promises of get-rich-quick schemes, and prioritize methods that align with your skills and interests. It's also important to comply with relevant laws and regulations, such as tax laws for your country. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like.